Chichi, Bossy, Kuya.
Sir Carlito
Miss Francis,
Miss Cherry Rose Estrada,
Miss Jasmine Silverberg.
Sir Roel Pilarca,
We have our very own Mr. Brendo LPT.
Mrs. Sheena Aclique,
Ma'am Ariel Serena.
Miss Marie Bucho, Mr. Hubert Cosmore,
And of course, ang pangbansang guro, Mr. Tuji Arpilia LPT.
and we have Mrs. Switzerland Jose.
Miss Marialine Catalan.
And we have Dominic Greco.
We have Ma'am Chrissy Alan.
From the Great Law Advisors, we have Mr. Julius Ray T. Mercader.
Of course, our very own, the most dynamic and CCS, Mr. Jason Villafranca LPTA.
We also have Miss Fabian Chavez,
Ma'am Lorraine Miranda.
Miss Jenny Rodriguez,
And the math expert, Mr. Milan Gayor.
Miss Elvin Abate,
Sergio
Olvidado.
Sir John Miller Olvinado,
Marami Yoko.
we also have Miss Florme Yuko,
and Ma'am Lalay Isars.
we have Miss Maribel Gutierrez,
Of course, Ma'am Eileen Villar.
Pag-inang naman na.
we also have our very own guidance assistant guidance counselor, Miss Maribel Grazel Pigen.
Followed by our campus minister, Ms. Angel Bautista.
We also have our
Video.
hotel, Mr. Alberto Manana.
And Ma'am Priscilla Manalo, LPT.
Siyempre, number one, Senior High School Principal, ang pinakagawa mo, Sir John Paul P. Furcades.
Followed by Sister Patricia Renee, ACN, RGC.
We also have our finance officer, Sister Virginia Lokias, LCM.
And of course, our most advertising namin supporting is former elected Sister Evangeline NC LPTA. To formally open our program, may I request everyone to please rise for the invocation to be